Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel High Tech Analytics Solutions. This is the complete Power BI DAX Basic to Advanced series. This is our 18th video of this series. In this video, you'll be learning about the components of DAX Data Model. Let's understand about the components of DAX Data Model in detail in our coming slides. Let's list down all the components of the DAX data model. So we have data, tables, columns, relationships, measures, and hierarchies. So let's understand about all these components. The data is nothing but the raw data from multiple sources. Tables are the structured data storage. Columns are the data fields in a table. Relationship is nothing but the connection between the tables, and we have seen in our previous videos as well. Measures are nothing but calculated values using DAX, and the hierarchies are the logical grouping of data for drill down analysis. I'll show you all these components in our Power BI application after a few slides. Right, so one by one we'll try to understand about the components. First is data. Data is nothing but the raw information imported from various different data sources. It can be from Excel, it can be from SQL, APIs, or online services, or any other data sources. They are structured into fact and dimension tables. Now what we'll do, we'll go to Power BI and we'll see what is this data is all about. So this is our Power BI desktop window. So you can see here we have the tables, and we'll see the data. For that we'll have to go to table view, and you can see that we have various different tables. So this is the data. So whatever you see in each table, this is called as the data or the information which we have imported from various different data sources. Next, tables. Tables are nothing but the structured collection of data consisting of rows and columns. So Power BI actually supports import tables, the calculated tables, and also DAX created tables. Now we'll go and we'll see what are the tables. You can see this customer, data, location, product, segment, ship mode, all these are various different tables. So if you want to see the columns in that, if you just click on this, you can see in each table we have various different columns. And you can also see the column headers here. So you can go here, you can see these are the fields and these are the records, or say rows. Let's go back. So what are the type of tables? Fact tables and dimension tables. What are fact tables? Fact tables are nothing but where we have more of numerical values or some transitions, and dimension table will have all the descriptive information, that is products, customers, and dates. Let's go back. So in these tables, let's understand which are fact tables and which are dimension tables. If you see this customer, if I just click on this, you can see I have the customer information. So this is the dimension table. When I click on this data table, you can see we have more of IDs, you can see, and we can see there are so many columns with numerical values, that is sales, quantity, discount, profit. So this is our fact table. So rest all, if you see the location, product, segment, and ship mode, all these are actually dimension tables. Right. Next, columns. Columns represents a specific data attribute in a table, and it is used for filtering and aggregating data in reports. Right, let's go back to our Power BI window. You can see ship ID, ship mode, or we'll go to this data. You can see order ID, order date, ship date, or say sales, quantity. All these are called as the columns in Power BI, or say in the table. Say this is common in all the other applications or the database as well. So you can see this, these are the columns. Right. Different type of columns, say data columns, and we have calculated columns. So what are data columns? They are nothing but the columns what you saw here. These are data columns. Calculated columns are nothing but we have already seen that we can create some columns here. So we can create the columns by using, say, new column. This will create one more column here. So that is called as the calculated columns. Relationships in DAX. Let's see what is this relationship. We have seen in our previous video also links between tables using keys, that is primary and foreign keys, and it helps data filtering and cross table calculations. So there are different type of relationship, one to many, one to one, which you have already seen in our previous video. Let me show you again. I'll go to this model view and let's see the relationship. Let me minimize these spans. You can see here we have the relationship. You can just see this. So this will be one to many to one. So you can see that the star denotes it is many, one denotes it is one. Say one to many, this is one to many. Here also we have one to many. So likewise we have this relationship. You can see that these are all the connectors or the relationship from one table to another table. Measures. Measures are again, we actually create some measures for calculations. So they are nothing but dynamic calculations performed for DAX. For say we can use DAX formulas to create these measures, that is for dynamic calculations. They are more efficient than calculated columns as they don't store the data. And the best practice is always try to use measures whenever necessary instead of calculated columns. So we can create measures in they are actually used as explicit calculations, so where we can create these measures for better performance. So if you want to see the measures, you can go here. We can create a measure by using this new measure and we can create a measure. Alright, next hierarchies. Hierarchies in DAX. Say it is nothing but a structured way to drill down through data values, commonly used for time-based or category-based analysis, mostly in the date columns. We can see example, we have date, say we'll have year, quarter, month and day, and we also have the geography hierarchy where we have country, state and city. Let's see in our Power BI how this hierarchy actually looks. Say in our data table, say here we have this date column. When I click on this arrow, you can see date hierarchy. I will just again expand this year, quarter, month and day. So when we use this in the visualization, we'll get this hierarchy. So this is hierarchy. So let's see the slides, whatever we have seen, the information, whatever we learned in all these slides, we just summarize it. So DAX data model consists of data, tables, columns, relationship, measures and hierarchies. And I already discussed about all these components as well. And optimized data models improve performance. Keep this in mind. The data models which are optimized, they improve performance, ensure faster reporting and also enhance Power BI capabilities. Alright, so we have seen the components of DAX, and in the next topic, let's understand about the formatting in DAX. There are so many things to understand about the formatting in DAX. So we'll see that in our next video. If anybody is looking for better career in data analytics, please contact us on 9066078793. You can also mail us on inquiry@itsinc.in. And if you want to get more free courses, you can visit our website www.itsinc.in. If you are watching the video for the first time, please do follow us. YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, all the links have been given in the description below. So please use those links and please follow us. And if you have liked this video, please give a like and comment your suggestions. And also please share this video so that there are many people who wants to learn DAX. So this series will help them to master DAX. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.